In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for new hire onboarding. If you're setting up a reliable onboarding flow for your team, ClickUp's built-in templates make it fast to launch and easy to maintain. I'll walk you through choosing a template, dropping it into your workspace, and viewing progress so you always know what's due before a new hire's first day. Start inside your ClickUp workspace, in the team space where you manage people or operations. Open the overview so you're looking at your core lists and tasks. From there, use the plus icon in your tasks area to add something new. Instead of building a list from scratch, select templates. This is the quickest way to get a structured onboarding process without reinventing the wheel. In the template window, use the search bar and type onboarding. You'll see a range of new hire options designed for different needs, from comprehensive employee onboarding frameworks to lighter checklists. Pick the one that best matches your process and click Use Template. Before you finalize, you can rename the list to match your internal naming conventions, or simply keep the default if you're testing things out. When you're ready, confirm by selecting Use Template again, and ClickUp will create the list for you with the recommended tasks and sections already in place. Open the new hire checklist that was just created to review what's included. At the top, you'll notice several buttons and view options that help you manage how information appears. Take a moment to explore these. Different views can reveal statuses, assignees, or timelines at a glance. If you want a quick sense of momentum, switch to a progress-focused view. Then, filter or click into the In Progress items to concentrate on tasks that are actively moving. You can also jump straight to the Before Day 1 section to confirm all pre-start tasks, like access, equipment, and introductions, are queued up well in advance. As you work with the template, keep it simple at first. The goal is to ensure every new hire gets the same clear path from offer accepted to fully ramped. As your team uses the checklist, you can fine-tune titles and descriptions, attach key documents, and adjust priorities or due dates so expectations are clear. Small improvements over time will make the process even smoother. And that's it. You've set up a streamlined onboarding flow in ClickUp, complete with a ready-to-use checklist and easy ways to monitor progress. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you deliver a consistent, welcoming experience for every new hire.